Pizza is a beautiful form of art. A good buddy of mine gave me a detailed one-on-one course on how to make Neapolitan style pizza. So today I'm going to share my learnings with you so that way you can make Neapolitan style pizza at home. If you want to wow guests at a party, this right here is the food you want to be serving. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my pizza oven, the Gozney Roccbox. So one of the requirements is you're going to need a pizza oven. Whatever brand you want, it doesn't have to be a Gozney, it could be whatever fits your budget. That's just the one that my buddy had, and I seen how good it worked, and you know what, I was like, you know what, I'm buying it. So again, you're going to need a pizza oven, and you're also going to need some accessories. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need some peels. Now, this peel actually came with the Gozney Roccbox. I mean, for $500, you better expect I at least get a peel to be able to put the pizza in and take it out. Now this is all I use it for, just to put the pizza in the oven and to remove it. The reason why is because I don't turn it with this one, because what I noticed, since it's more of like a square shape, I actually have a hard time twisting the pizza to turn it. So this one here, all I use it is to put the pizza in the oven and remove it. So for the next peel I have here, now this is optional, you don't have to get this, but I find this a huge convenience. Since this is a circular shape, this allows me to get in the pizza oven and be able to twist the pizza as it's cooking. I mean, these pizzas cook really fast. You're not out there for 10-15 minutes. These things cook within a minute, over a minute, and they're pretty much done. So you're waiting like about 15 seconds to turn these things. So with this one, as you can see, it has a lot more diameter for me able to turn it. So that is one thing why I like this peel. And the next thing you're gonna need, this is actually a kit, is dough storage boxes. It actually comes with a little scraper, so that way you can scrape out your doughs. Once you're done with your dough, you put them in here and you let them rise. And this is a very wonderful thing, because if you don't want your dough to keep rising, you can put it in the fridge and then you can pull it out whenever you need it. All right, so we're gonna need a floured surface. Go ahead and put a little bit of flour right there over your pizza dough. Go ahead and spread it out. You want to get out some of the air bubbles. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take our fingers, cross them, and we're going to make our crust. Kind of just take your fingers like this, cross them like that, and then we're just going to go ahead and pinch our crust in. Now these are actually about 8 to 9 inch pizzas is what these make. Now we're just going to go ahead and spread it out. Now we're going to take our pizza dough and just kind of stretch it out just like that. That right there is how you spread out your pizza dough. So a little tip, my first couple pizzas, they kind of get stuck to this peel. I'm not sure if it's just this peel, but dust it up a little bit, because any moisture from that dough, it gets stuck. And there's a couple times where I actually put the pizza in the oven and it got stuck on there and it just threw ingredients all over my oven. It's a self-cleaning oven, but still, I mean, you don't want the mess. So kind of just powder it up a little bit. All right, now let's go ahead and get our pizza dough on here. And once these are about room temperature, I mean, it's really easy to work with. If you have really cold pizza dough, you're gonna have some issues. It's not gonna spread easy, so you kind of want more of like a little cooler room temperature. So now we're gonna take our sauce. This is the same sauce that I showed you in the first part of this series. So we're just gonna take 1 spoon. Now these are small pizzas, so they don't need a whole lot of sauce. So you just start off with just a little bit. Put some right there in the middle. Take the bottom of your spoon. And you just gradually spread it throughout your pizza. Now you want to get it up to about that edge where you've made that crust. Now we'll take some mozzarella cheese. and spread it over our pizza. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some pepperonis. Now, in my pizza restaurant days, it was told how we put our topping is for every bite you take, you want some type of your condiments on there. So since we're just doing pizza pepperonis, we're gonna be laying on a good layer of pepperoni. I mean, they shrink. You're gonna have some shrinkage, but yeah, you wanna at least have some pepperoni, some cheese, and some sauce in every single bite. All right, so our pizza's ready. Let's go outside to the oven. All right, so the pizza oven is about 750 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our pizza. Now this cooks really, really quick. You're gonna start seeing bubbling right back there. And as it starts bubbling and turning dark, you wanna go ahead and turn your pizza. Now this pizza oven does get up to 942 degrees. And when it is that temperature, it takes literally a minute and a half to cook one of these pizzas. But around 740-ish degrees, it usually cooks like about two and a half minutes. Okay, we'll get our peel in there. Go ahead and turn it just a little bit. Give it about a quarter of a turn. You gotta really eye this. It cooks so fast. I mean, it could be literally just seconds before it turns burnt, so you gotta be real careful with that. There we go. Okay, let this get a little bit of cook time on there. Go ahead and give it another turn. And we'll just let it finish off right here. Now this is a self-cleaning oven. As you can see, there's a fire back there. That's actually one of the pepperonis that fell off of the pizza. I think we're done. My little baby girl, are you ready to enjoy some pizza? Mm-hmm. She loves pizza, y'all. She loves brisket and pizza. I can see why she got the pizza because I love pizza. I am a pizza fanatic. So, freshly oven pizza, my love. Hold on, wait for your daddy. She's already trying to get it. Cheers, baby. Cheers, y'all. Woo! So hot. Mmm. That sauce is good, huh? This right here is some good stuff. Like I said, I'm a pizza fan. And this right here, I'll go any day with. On a serious note though, you get a nice crispy bottom. You got a wonderful sauce. The sauce is nice and flavorful. You can't beat pepperoni and cheese. I mean, and then that crispy. Mm-hmm. And the thing I like about the dough, it's light and fluffy. There's some pizzas that I eat and it gets me full really quick. This does not. I could eat probably almost a whole pizza because that's how light this dough is. So this is some really good stuff. As always, all the ingredients for the recipes will be in all of the recipes. All the equipment that I use will be in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see the future videos just like this. What do you think, Jasmine? Was it thumbs up? Mm-hmm. Thumbs up. Now y'all be beautiful. Take care.